Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Kahoot game. Okay, so if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and then search for kahoot.it. Okay, or if you don't have an account, just go ahead and click create one, and if you have one, just go ahead and log in your account. So after you've done that, you can see this create button at the upper part of your screen, right? So you just want to click that, and here you can just choose short trivia quizzes and polls or collections of your favorite quizzes, videos, and documents. So just go ahead and click Kahoot. Then here you just want to close this, and here at the upper part you can now start typing your question. So for example, 1 plus 3, and you can put any of your answers, right? And now to put the right answer, you just need to click check on this circle at the right side of the right answer. Okay, and you can also add more answers by clicking this add more answers option, but that is for account with subscription. Okay, and now you can just go ahead and click next and save. And then here you can now add your title and description, but the description is optional. And once you've done that, just go ahead and click continue, and now your Kahoot is ready. And you can share it with others by clicking share it with others, and here you can now search for their email, username, or group name, and click done. And that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.